Welcome to our complete guide on obtaining the Delta Executor key for your Android device in 2025. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites ready to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of downloading Delta Executor on your Android device. Once you have Delta Executor installed, here's how to navigate through its user-friendly interface. There are several methods to obtain your Delta Executor key, both official and alternative. Let's discuss these methods. Now, let's walk through the detailed key activation process step by step. If you encounter any key-related issues, here are some common troubleshooting tips to help you out. Let's answer some frequently asked questions about Delta Executor keys. To wrap things up, we've covered the essential steps for acquiring your Delta Executor key on Android. Let's recap. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content on Android tools.